Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings, scroll down and select themes. Now you need to click on themes at the bottom left corner over here and tap on the search bar. Then type in wherever you wish to, like moon, and pick the best theme for you. I will go with that one. Following that, you need to select download and choose apply. And now, as you can see, theme of my Samsung has changed. But you can always switch to the default one by going into the same settings, scrolling down, choosing themes again, but this time clicking on menu at the bottom right corner. Then go into my stuff, select default theme and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!